Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm doing a first impressions with the Adventure palette from the brand Game Beauty. Game Beauty is a new brand and I'm super excited because when I discovered them, I immediately followed them. I was like, I'm keeping my eyes on you, you're on my radar, I want to see more from you. And then they reached out to me and wanted to send me this palette, which I was thrilled about. And of course I said yes because I love trying new indie brands. I was already intrigued by this brand, so it's just very exciting. This is the first product they've come out with, and I'm just already so excited to see what else they do because a video game themed brand, like that is so cool. I'm just very excited to see where this goes. The palette itself is so slim and just tiny. It feels so compact. I love the sizing of this, and it's just beautiful packaging, absolutely stunning. I think the artwork is so pretty and it makes me even more excited to see what else they come out with in the future because you just know it's gonna look good. And then it just opens up kind of like this and then you kind of flip it over. And that's where like the mirror goes and that's where the shade names are laid out. There are 4 mattes in here, 5 shimmers and 1 glitter. I don't love that there's a glitter in here, but it is what it is at this point. Obviously people like glitters, so I just have to learn to deal with it. 2 of the shimmers in here are kind of this marbled looking texture and they're very pretty. They're very reflective. I didn't play with those today. Obviously you can see on my eyes, but I did swatch them out for you as you are seeing in the swatches or have already seen in the swatches at this point. Overall, I'm really excited about the color story. I think it's very cute. I'm excited to try a new formula and I don't know what else I really have to say so far. Game Beauty, if you watch this, thank you so much for sending this to me. I really appreciate you wanting to hear my opinion on it. Before we hop into doing this look with the palette, just a few quick things. I think I got this necklace from a Forever 21 a million years ago. It's very cute, but I think it's from there. This is a Chrisma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And this is a CC brand beanie. As always, this is not a review, just a first impressions. It's literally my only time using this brand, this formula, this palette, so I only have this particular instance to talk about so far, but I will have more of a thorough review in the future. I kind of want to do a 2 looks 1 palette with this, but let me know if you want to see like a 2 looks 1 palette and I will work on that. I also think I'll probably do an Instagram video as well. So let me know what you want to see. I'm very excited to continue playing with this. And yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. Let's just hop in and create this look and we'll talk some more about my thoughts thus far at the end. Hi, how's it going? Today is Saturday the 19th. I think this video is going up tomorrow, so hello from the present. Side note, look at this cute tumbler Morgan just got me for hitting 24,000 subscribers. What? A cute present. She also got me a Pennywise t-shirt and I'm dying over it. She's so sweet. All right, well, it's 8 p.m. I felt like filming with you. I got this delivered last night and I'm excited to dive into this. The packaging is so pretty. It literally looks like a video game. It's beautiful. I'm very excited to dive in. I feel like that was the least enthused I could have possibly sounded, but I swear it's the truth. I'm just really excited to dive in. I'm not loving that there's a glitter in here, but I feel like it's just expected that most palettes have a glitter in them nowadays, so it's whatever, but I'm excited about everything else. It's all really pretty. Even this orange shade, when I swatched it, it has a really pretty kind of almost corally golden shift to it. It's really pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna use it today because I have a different plan in mind, but very excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm not gonna set it because, as you know, I don't prefer to do that. I'm excited to play with a new formula, try out a new brand. I'm so thankful they sent this to me because as soon as I heard about them, I followed them and I was like, I'm keeping my eye on that brand because they sound real cool. I'm gonna start with this Level Up shade, this beautiful kind of minty color, kind of inspired my wig choice today. I'm gonna take that on this little Luxie 121 brush. And I want to just focus this in the crease. We're going to do half cut creasy stuff because I'm Betty Jean and I love half cut creases. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a good weekend because I guess this is getting uploaded on Sunday. How's your weekend going? Mine's fine. I just worked. Tomorrow I'm going to do some more YouTube stuff and maybe actually play some video games. I've been trying to play more video games with Zane, just to spend like more time with him because I get so consumed in work, and also just for myself because it's fun. We've been playing a lot of the Super Mario Brothers for the Switch, like the one that was for the Wii but now it's on the Switch. Been playing that. It's quite fun. I don't think I ever actually played that one on the Wii, so it's been cool visiting that one. Still playing Animal Crossing here and there, not as much as like I used to, but that's still fun. And I recently got back into World of Warcraft. We have not officially started paying for the subscription yet. I'm still in the up to level 20 for free mode because I don't want to risk putting money into it and then not like keeping with it. So I want to wait until I hit level 20, see where my excitement level is, and then go from there. But we've been having fun with that. I'm a troll hunter. That's what I used to be back in the day. So I wanted to do that again. And it's been a lot of fun playing with Zane. Also, that color is really pretty. Look how smooth it looks. That's so pretty. I do want to blend it a little with this Ruins shade, that beautiful kind of sky blue color. I'm going to take that on this Juno & Co brush. It's just like a fluffy brush. I just want to run this along the edges of that green. Yeah, World of Warcraft's been fun. It takes me back. I used to play that back in like, I don't even know, like sophomore year of high school, so like 2010. Back when there was only like a couple expansions. There was like hardly anything, like the pandas weren't even a thing yet. I used to just Blair, breathe Carolina, run around with my troll, my pet dinosaur, do the quests. I was never one for the raids, and I'm still not even doing raids right now. It was never my thing. I just like to vibe and do the quests. I'm learning though. What video games do you like to play? I feel like this is just the tutorial to talk about video games because it's a video game themed brand, you know? I feel like this is all extremely pigmented, so I'm just taking a clean brush now just to buff at the edges a little bit more. Just a fluffy brush, nothing crazy. I do want to take a little bit of Dungeon, the brown, and pop a little of that in the outer corner as well. This is a teeny tiny old Morphe M506. It's very old, but still does the job. And I want to just focus this in the outer corner just to add a little bit of depth. I guess speaking of dungeon, I don't really do dungeons in World of Warcraft either. Mostly just the quests. It's fun for me. Pretty relaxing. I love playing anything Nintendo. I love Kingdom Hearts. I feel like most of you guys know I love Kingdom Hearts. Super Mario Sunshine and Paper Mario Thousand Year Door are two of my favorite games ever. Life is Strange is also fantastic. I think that's for the PlayStation and the PC. Probably also Xbox. I think we have it for the PC. But Life is Strange is so good. I was Chloe one year for Halloween. It was very cute. And Zane did like a gender bent version of Max. He just had a t-shirt that she wore and also like carried a Polaroid camera, but it was cute. I'm not really a first-person shooter kind of game person. It's not really my speed. I'm just taking the two various lighter colors just to help softly blend this. I'm loving the way that's looking. Okay, let's start some cut creasy stuff. I want to cut it with Treasure actually and then have it fade into this shade called Stealth because it is like the prettiest looking like weird duochrome color. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of purpley, kind of green, and I want to see how it translates on the eyes so badly. And I think the yellow cut will be a nice little just pop in there. I have a flat brush from Juno & Co, and of course I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer because I use it with all of my shimmers, and I also just love it for my cut creases, you know? Are you guys still playing Animal Crossing? I've only played once so far since the snow update, actually. But it's very cute. I did a very bad job at making a snow person. I'm taking Treasure now, that quite lovely yellow. Oof. I love a shimmer yellow that isn't just a gold. It makes me so happy. So I'm just gonna pop that right up against my cut. I'm using the same sticky brush. Oh yes, 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 yes. Whew, that's pretty. Very pretty. I'm so excited about this brand. I mean, I'm only just now using the shadows, but so far it's very pleasant, and I'm just really excited to see what else they do. I'm excited to see what other themes they do. Their feed is really good so far on Instagram, and their Instagram stories are cute. They did a Instagram story thing where they asked everyone, like, if you had to be your favorite video game character, like, who would it be? And for some reason, the only thing that popped into my head was Flick from Animal Crossing, so that's what I shared. I thought, I'll be Flick because he's just vibing. Oh, that yellow. Be still my heart. All right, I'm gonna take Stealth now with the other side of that brush because why dirty another brush? And I'm placing these in kind of a diagonal fashion because I like the way that looks on my eye. That color, oh my gosh, I love a good duochrome. It shocks people that I don't have any multi-chromes unless you count my Kaleidos Prophecy highlight that I now own. But I just don't own any multi-chromes, but I have quite the love affair with duochromes. Ooh, it looks so cool with that yellow. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend the two together. Don't fret, my dears. Oh, that Stealth shade is pretty. That just smoked all over the eye. Game over. That's beautiful. I literally didn't mean to say game over in a video game themed brand makeup tutorial, but it works. I think Nintendo will always be my favorite. They just hold such a near and dear place in my heart. Okay, I want to take Maze now and actually pop that a little on the lower lash line. I just have a little pencil brush. What are some other video games I like? The Sims, obviously. That's the best. I still love the OG, like Roller Coaster Tycoon, Zoo Tycoon games. I don't really like the new versions. Planet Coaster's okay, but I didn't really like Planet Zoo. It's like extra complicated, and that's not what I want in a game. Especially a game like that. I just want a vibe. Oh, that's pretty. I love this. That is so pretty. I don't know what I want in my inner corner. I guess maybe just what I used on my face, which is, what is this? Seismic from Colourpop. One of my favorites. It's just so creamy and shiny. Let's just add a little hop in there. I almost said a little popsicle. Okay, I'm delusional. I'm going to repeat this on the other eye, throw on my eye pencil, lashes, lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. I really, really like this look though. Love that stealth shade. What a beauty. Okay, I'll be back. Hello, I am back with my look complete. I feel so pretty. I love the way my eyes came out. I think I'm just obsessed with it. I'm very impressed so far with this palette. I had fun. I can't wait to play with this more. It's gonna be a good time. I can't stop staring at my eyes. I know to make your eye color pop, typically you wear a contrasting color. Like I should be wearing like purples or oranges to make my bluish greenish eyes pop, but I feel like they pop a lot with this like greeny blue action going on. It's really pretty. Okay, anyways, the eye pencil I went with is the Black Flame Candle one from Colourpop. I don't think this is available anymore, but I wanted a green metallic liner to go with this look. My lashes are from this new brand called Noella lashes. These are the Heather style. They're really pretty. It's my first time wearing them. I think they're quite lovely. And my lip combo is the So Happy lip pencil from Colourpop with the KVD Vegan Beauty Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick over top of it. I love this look. I feel very cute. It's a shame I have nothing to do, but it's okay. It'll still make for a good video. Anyways, I guess let's just zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts thus far on the palette. Alrighty, hello, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating this look and I just feel so stinking pretty. Let's talk about my thoughts so far. Packaging itself I love. I love the artwork. I love the layout of the shadows. I really like how compact the palette itself is. It threw me off a little bit that it's kind of like upside down when you open it and then you have to turn it upside down, but that's honestly like not even an issue. So far I'm very happy. I used 3 of the mattes. They were all very pigmented, but they blended really nicely and very softly. I didn't have any issues with skipping or patchiness personally. I thought they were very easy and pleasant to work with. I guess I played with 3 shimmers technically. I played with these 2 on my cut crease and this one on the lower lash line. I feel like they're very wet looking. They're not crazy like glitzy, sparkly shimmers, but they're very wet and shiny looking. Very pigmented. I'm obsessed with that duochrome shade on the lid, that stealth shade. So pretty. I can't wait to just dive more into this palette. I think it's really pretty. It's definitely more of a blue-green kind of color scheme, but I like those pops of other color. Like we have the pop of purple, pop of yellow. It's very cute. I feel like it's very different, not something I've really seen before, and so far I'm really excited. Again, this isn't a thorough review obviously, but so far so good. I'm having fun with this. I'm looking forward to playing with it more. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you heard of this brand? I know they're brand new, so I'm interested to see who's already heard of them. Are you interested in this palette? Are you intrigued by this brand in general? Do you play games? I want to hear all of your thoughts down below. If you made it to the end of this video, I would love for you to leave me an emoji that makes you think of a video game, whatever that means to you. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BEAUTBEAN. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying to post every day in the month of December as well. So far, so good. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.